Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Natia. If you know you're new to my channel, you are welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribing button. Okay, I'm so excited to make today's video because I'm hanging out with my girls tonight. Yes, so we are gonna be having ladies dinner night. So obviously I just want to look good. As you guys can see, my eyebrows is already done. Today I just want to do like get ready with me a little bit, and how I'm gonna fix this face. Yes, let's do it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I will be showing you guys later my outfit, what I'm wearing. You know, that's also another complication, is it? So now I'm gonna be showing you guys my belly. Yes, gonna give you guys a little bit of my belly shot. Woo.
What are you ordering, Dora?
Fried rice with chicken.
Black.
Yeah?
He's like, no, I know, right? It's not even my time. Like, short and bad. He's short and bad. And I'm like, well, Christoph is short and bad. Bitch, I'm gossiping. You don't really. That's about what?
You better stop your gossiping.